Looking for a smart real estate investment? Let me introduce you to Bexley Court, a stunning off-plan development featuring 2-bedroom terraces with a PQ. Each unit is thoughtfully designed with features like fitted kitchen, ensuite bedrooms, ample parking space, gym, and a private BQ. Perfect for comfortable living and great long-term value. Off-plan projects like this give you the opportunity to buy at today's prices, enjoy flexible payment plans, and watch investment grow as construction progresses. Don't wait until it's sold out. Let's talk about how you can be a part of this. Call the numbers on your screen.